Jai Jagannath. Good morning. I'm Captain Naveen Chandra Sharma, Master Mariner, President of the Seafarers Association of Odisha. Today we have assembled to give you a press conference about the loss of Sarthak Mahapatra, a deck cadet with Anglo-Eastern Ship Management, who was lost at sea between Mauritius and Singapore. Loss at sea is not a common thing. It happens very rarely, but when it happens, it affects the families, and the chances of survival depend on the effort put in to rescue them. The first few hours are critical. If nothing is done in the first few hours, follow-up is not effective. Today, Sarthak's family is having a tough time, not knowing what has happened. The incident occurred out somewhere on the 3rd of February. It's a week later and we are still without any real ground information from the authorities. When I say the authorities, for us in India, it is the Government of India through the Director General of Shipping, who has to provide adequate instructions and direction with regard to the status of the investigation. At such a late date, it is difficult for us to speculate as to what has happened. However, whatever happens, at the end of the day, it is necessary for the family to receive what is just. Whether it is a compensation or it is the body of the person, it has to be just compensation. We are very sad that this has happened, and this has happened with this company quite a number of times. Just this morning I received another message from a person who has had a similar occurrence. All these investigations need to be thorough, and it has to be decided as to whether it was an accident or it was a question of foul play. Whatever it is, it has to be investigated thoroughly, and this cannot happen unless adequate effort is made to interrogate all the people who were on board that ship and who had a role to play in that person's life. In this case, we are talking about Cadet Sarthak Mahapatra. Sarthak Mahapatra was in a very happy state of mind as per the information we have received. He had completed his contract and had asked for an extension. The company had granted him an extension. The reason is that he would finish his sea time and he would be eligible to appear for his first qualifying examination to come as a cadet, a third officer with the company. It is not that Sarthak Mahapatra is the first time cadet. This is his third contract, and he is a cadet from Anglo-Eastern Training Establishment near Bombay. So his association with Anglo-Eastern is long. It is not a first time issue. One feels very sad that this has happened with Anglo-Eastern a couple of times in the recent past. We need to ensure that the DG Shipping takes a very good look at what is actually happening and why it is happening. It is necessary for training establishments to ensure that whoever goes to sea should not be of a delicate frame of mind. Life at sea is very tough. It is long partition with family. It is hard work, long hours, difficult working conditions. Long hours, when I say long hours, there are times when people just work 18 hours with 6 hours of sleep. This is not normal, but at sea it is a common thing. A lot of stress is there when you are working on a ship. People have to be aware of what they can decline. If they are given a job and it is not safe, they should have the courage to say, I'm sorry, I'm not going to do this. Safety comes first, safety comes last, safety is there always. I can add much more to this, but I would give it to our secretary, Surya Prakash, who is the chief engineer, to tell you more. Surya Prakash.
सीपेयर्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ ओडिशा रो जनरल सेक्रेटरी अच्छी रे सातर महापात्र जो इंसिडेंट है आम इमिडिएटली जाइलु घर को जाकि माँ सहित अलमोस्ट थी अराउंड 1.5 आवर थी एंग्लो ईस्टर्न री ऑफिसर मैंने भी आसते जिन हूँ कौन यही टाइप इंसिडेंट बहुत गुड़े है आम चाहूँ कि सार्थक महापात्र इम्पार्शियल एनक्वारी हो एंड युवाक जमी फ्रिक्वेंटली हो टू प्रिवेंट रीअकरेंस ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ इंसिडेंट्स हमको कौन करा पड़ो ना ऑन बोर्ड शिप डेफिनेटली देयर इज अ स्ट्रेस इज देयर इज नो डाउट एट ऑल ओके सो वी नीड टू डू साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट व्हाट एवर शिप स्टाफ कैन डू फॉर स्पेशली फॉर द जूनियर्स सीनियर्स जो जाते प्राय मैंने मैच्योर्ड हो जाती दे नो व्हेन टू टेल दे विल पोस्टपोन द जॉब और दे कैन टेक इमीडिएट डिसीजन बट जूनियर्स रे रैंक रे कौन हुए ना सीनियर्स मान को मानती बट स्टिल दे शुड एबल टू टेल कि कोटा से माने करें कोटा करें इन टाइम रे दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन ईच एंड इंडिविजुअल पर्सन सो द स्टॉप वर्क कल्चर शुड बी इन केस समवन इज टेलिंग यू हैव टू डू दिस बट इट इज नॉट सेफ देन द पर्सन शुड एबल टू टेल कि नहीं ये ठीक नुह एटा मुझे करें कि मुझे ओवर स्ट्रेस हो और मोर फैमिली रे प्रोब्लेम हो काम कर please give less work. On this way, we can reduce this type of incident. And same time, this type of incident will reduce if you will keep more focus on the Maritime Training Center, where they will teach how to handle failures and how to manage the stress and stop work culture. These three things. बहुत गुड़े जगह आम देखा रिस्क मैनेजमेंट आम जो करा ऑन पेपर हो जाऊँगी mostly juniors are not much involved and the juniors has to involve each and every time we have to think the mental condition of the persons on board, especially the juniors. Maximum cases ho amara juniors in the so we have to teach them. I know it is an additional job for the shift staff, there is no doubt at all, but that way we can save a life of a person. Thank you very much.
सर तो पहले सार्थक महापात्र विषय और गोटे कथा कहार सार्थक महापात्र गोटे जूनियर कैडेट अच्छे अलमोस्ट तार कैडेटशिप सारिकी जाऊला एग्जाम पढ़ी मात्र किसी दिन एक्सटेंशन बोर्ड तेणुक तार ये जो घटना घटी इन्वेस्टिगेशन निहाती दरकार हो पर्टिकुलर ये कंपनी कहीं फ्रिक्वेंटली ये सब घटना घटी या आगे भी 2-3टा कैडेट मिसिंग रिपोर्ट भी हम गाड़ी वर्क कल्चर से विषय तो सर कहले किंतु आज आम केवल सार्थक महापात्र कौन इन्वेस्टिगेशन प्रॉपर्ली हो पार से विषय टी करके आमको बढ़ेगा जमी आगे
किसी बढ़िया बनता प्रैक्टिकली हो पार मोर एक्सपीरियंस जो अच्छी यहाँ शिपिंग कंपनी जहाज को पोर्ट ऑफ आवर कन्वीनियंस पठेब किंतु जो मैंने जहाज अच्छा जो मैंने इन्वेस्टिगेशन जहाज मान सांगे जो जहाज क्रू अच्छा सांगे हबार कथा जहाज सांगे कौन संपर्क तो जदि आमको दरकार आम से जो लोक जहाज अच्छा डकई और जदि आम जहाज को क्रू को इन्वेस्टिगेशन से दरकार ना डॉक्यूमेंट सब नहीं आसवा क्रू आसवा दरकार किंतु जहाज आनियार कथा ए प्रकार हो जाऊँगी कि इट इज अ कमर्शियल इश्यू कमर्शियल बॉटम लाइन ऑलवेज इज मनी पर जहाँ करेंगे पैसा उपरे किंतु आम जब इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने चाहूँ धरिया चाहूँ जो मैंने सांगे कनेक्टेड थे से जहाज रू ओल्ल पोर्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन इन दिस केस इट वुड बी बॉम्बे बॉम्बे आसिकी सेठी तांकर इन्वेस्टिगेशन
सर सार्थक महापात्र इज इंजुरी और डेथ इटा कंफर्म ही नहीं पर्यंत टिल नाउ बट इन्वेस्टिगेशन को वे रे करा जिवा दरकार आपण माने भाबुछन कारण जूनियर एम्प्लॉइज को ऊपर मैन लाइन रे बहुत वर्क प्रेशर रहुछि बोली आपण माने निजे कहउछ तो को वे रे तांकर इन्वेस्टिगेशन कोन प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टिगेशन आपण माने डिमांड करूछन
Investigation is upon the investigating authority.
what
Anchor-
kind of investigation that my question
The investigation into the incident.
okay
Whatever incident happens, let us say a crane falls down.
okay
There is an investigation. A person is lost at sea. That is an investigation. So every investigation has its own protocol. You cannot just make up new protocols. Say protocol follow करेंगे. If there is anything criminal in it, if there is foul play, then you have to bring in the police.
okay
So depending on what type of investigation you carry out, you will then determine the outcome. The important thing is not to allow it to go into red tape, bureaucracy and paperwork and get lost. The investigation must be live, it must be time bound and a decision must be reached at the end of it as to what must have happened.
do you think Sarthak Mahapatra issue is a foul play
I cannot say anything about that because I don't have any information. Number one. Number two, for us, we have to keep the hopes alive because there are people who have been found alive after 1 month at sea. गोटे काठ खंड धरिकी भासुचंती मासे ऊपर को गोटे फिशिंग बोट उठे नहीं फिशिंग बोट पाखे कम्युनिकेशन इक्विपमेंट नाई जणे या कहीं आम को गोटे डिएगो गार्सिया पाखे को गोटे आइलैंड को पड़े it is difficult to say this. So as long as we have hope, there is some respite. But there has to be closure. And then it is to be time bound.
कौन होइथे पारे एमती घटना रे भाबुछन काहेकि से मिसिंग हो गेल अचानक कौन होइथे पारे एभଳି
One can
परिस्थिति
speculate. But one cannot give up hope. I cannot say what could have happened because I don't know what he was doing on board. What were his responsibilities? What was his area of work? What time he did whatever he was supposed to do? I'm sorry, but I can't comment on it.
Taking all our
Okay, sir.